Okay, once again, we know that we're going to use the fifth power formula here because we see in our problem that we're dealing with something raised to the fifth power, n to the fifth power, and that matches our generator here for the fifth power. So we're going to use whatever we go up to for n and plug it into this formula. So since we go up to n equals 8, everywhere we see an n in this formula, we're going to replace it with 8 to find our sum. So that becomes 8 squared times 8 plus 1 squared times 2 times 8 squared plus 2 times 8 minus 1 all over 12. Let's go ahead and simplify it a little bit before you just go directly to your calculator. We'll have 64 times 81 times, so 8 squared is 64. 64 times 2 is 128 plus 16 minus 1 all over 12. And now would be an appropriate time to go ahead and type that into your calculator. And you're going to get 61,776.